So we're going to create a compound shape in Adobe Illustrator. I already have 4 shapes here. I'm going to use 2 to make a compound shape to show you how to do it, and then I'll show the difference between a compound shape and a united shape. Now, a compound shape can be made by first selecting your 2 objects you want to create as a compound shape. You can then go to the Pathfinder window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and select Pathfinder. And in the Pathfinder window, you can press this hamburger icon and there choose Make a Compound Shape. Or you can, with the object still selected, go to the Unite option and just Other option, click it. And by Other option clicking it, you are making a compound shape instead of uniting them. Now, as you can see here in my layers window, I have 2 objects still, and the 2 objects are a compound shape. I'm going to show you with this one. If I just press Unite and don't Alt or Option press it, then they're united and they're making a path, meaning that it's one shape. So it's kind of more destructive than a compound path because a compound shape, because a compound shape I can still, with my direct selection tool, edit these shapes separately. I can give them other colors, I can give them a gradient, and because it's a compound shape, the gradient is divided amongst the 2 shapes. But yeah, I can do all sorts of things. I can even move it. It stays a compound shape, as you can see here in my layers window, but I can move it around and I can adjust it just as I would like to. Whereas the united shape is one shape. I can change my shape, but my shape is one. It's no longer 2 components. So big difference between compound shape and just unite. Unite is a kind of destructive way, and the compound shape is non-destructive, as you can still edit the shapes separately from each other. And what if you now want to release this compound shape? You can go the same way. You can go to your Pathfinder window and then the little hamburger icon, release compound shape. And now it's no longer a compound shape, it's just 2 polygons. So that was a quick way on how to make a compound shape, release it, and the difference between the compound shape and a united shape. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Also be sure to press that like button if you did, press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos going live every Wednesday and Thursday. And for now, stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.